Okay, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomo here, and in this class we are looking at another question around polygon. This question we have here says the sum of 5 angles of a heptagon is 780 degrees. If if other two angles are equal, what is the value of each? The sum of 5 angles of a heptagon is 780 degrees. If other two angles are equal, what is the value of each? So we know that a heptagon has 7 sides. It's a polygon that has 7 sides. So, and since it has 7 sides, we can use the expression for calculating the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon to obtain the sum of angles in that heptagon. So, we can say the sum of its interior angles will be, that is, we use the expression n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. So this will become 7 minus 2 in bracket 180. Obviously, this will be 5 times 180 degrees. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. Write 0, carry 4. And 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. So this is 900. 900 degrees. So, but they told us that 5 of the angles, the sum of 5 of the angles in that heptagon is 780 degrees. So 5 has 780 degrees. So the remaining two, they're asking us what is the size of each. Obviously, what you do here is you remove this sum coming from 5 of the angles. Remove it from here. So we have 900 minus 780 degrees. So this is 0, 2 here, this is 2, this is remaining 8 minus this 1. So the other remaining 2 is 120 degrees. So therefore, the size of each will be 120 divided by 2. So that will be 60 degrees. So it's a question that may not even take just few minutes to solve it. So please, we have been able to do a lot of classes before now on polygon. Please, if you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends, you are being of an encouragement, and you'll be able to access those classes that we've done before now. Please do that, and you will not regret. Thank you for being there.